Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to export Google Gemini chats to Gmail. To do this, it's very simple. We have just to go to Gemini, open it, and after that, start a conversation. I already started a conversation. So just start any conversation. And after that, after the answer of Google Gemini, you will find 3 dots. Click on them. And as you can see, the second option is draft in Gmail. Click on it. And in a few seconds, you can click on open. And as you can see, your Gmail is drafted and it put it the answer of Google Gemini on your email directly. So you can just click on it, and as you can see, this is the answer of Gemini. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.